To enable senior mode on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all, you'll need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter display, and this phone offers you option called easy mode. This mode is basically a senior mode on as on other devices, so we can click on it right here in the display settings and then activate it. So what it does, it makes most of the icons, text and everything bigger, so it's much more accessible that way. And also it applies a touch and hold delay to your phone, so it will prevent you from accidentally clicking on something on your phone. And you can change that right here. If you want touch and hold delay to be longer, you can change it right here, or shorter right here. Then there's a black high contrast keyboard, which applies the high contrast to our keyboard, so it's much easier to write. You can see the letters, they are not overlapping with the transparent background. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.